We came here about 20 years ago. We drove up the Moki Dugway from Mexican Hat to go to Natural Bridges National Monument, and we want to check it out how the road changed since then. We were all scared to coming up the road in our truck. Moki Dugway is a fascinating and scenic road in Utah with a rich history and breathtaking views, and also a symbol of the rugged beauty and cultural heritage of southeastern Utah. This road is part of Utah Highway 261, located in southeastern Utah, near the Valley of the Gods. The road was constructed in the 1958 by the Texas Zinc Mining Company to transport uranium ore from the Happy Jack mine on Cedar Mesa to the mining mill near Mexican Hat. It is a 3-mile long, unpaved road with steep switchbacks and an 11% grade. It climbs 1,200 feet from the valley floor to the top of Cedar Mesa. The road offers stunning panoramic views of the Valley of the Gods, Monument Valley, and the surrounding desert landscape. It's a popular spot for photography and sightseeing. The road is relatively safe for most vehicles, but caution is advised for motorhomes or vehicles pulling trailers due to the steep and narrow switchbacks. We were ready to be really careful and having full alert, but to our easement of mind and disappointment some degree. The road became wider, especially switchbacks, compared to some 20 years ago. The term Moki is derived from the Spanish word Moqui, M-O-Q-U-I, used by early Spanish explorers to describe the Pueblo Indians they encountered in the region. Dugway, in the name of the road, refers to a method used to traverse steep hillsides with wagons, where a trench was cut into the hillside to keep the wagon from sliding down. At the top of Moki Dugway, there's a spot known as Muley Point, which offers stunning panoramic views. Some adventurers have dubbed the unique rock formations in this area the Hawaiian Rolls, due to their resemblance to the popular bread rolls. Don't just watch the road conditions like us when we are driving, but look down the valley to have more enjoyable experiences. In a land where the earth kissed the sky, there lay a hidden path known only to the brave and the curious. This path, carved into the rugged cliffs of Cedar Mesa, was called Moki Dugway. It was a place where legends were born and dreams took flight. It wound its way up the mesa, with hairpin turns and dizzying drops that tested the courage of all who dared to travel it. But those who reached the top were rewarded with views that stretched to the ends of the earth. At the summit, the warriors built a sanctuary, a place of peace and reflection. They called it Muley Point, and it became a haven for those seeking wisdom and solace. From this vantage point, they could see the Valley of the Gods, where the spirits of their ancestors roamed, and the distant mesas of Monument Valley, where the sun painted the sky with hues of gold and crimson. As the years passed, the tribe's secret was lost to time, and Moki Dugway became a legend whispered among travelers. But the road remained, a silent guardian of the desert's mysteries. Those who ventured up its steep switchbacks felt the presence of the ancient warriors, guiding them with unseen hands. Today, Moki Dugway is a place of wonder and adventure. It calls to the hearts of those who seek the thrill of the unknown and the beauty of the untamed wilderness. It is a reminder that even in the harshest of landscapes, there is magic to be found and dreams to be chased. So if you ever find yourself at the foot of Cedar Mesa, take a deep breath and follow the winding path of Moki Dugway. Let the spirit of the ancient warriors guide you, and discover the secrets that lie beyond the horizon, like Monument Valley, Gooseneck State Park, also San Juan River, and the Valley of the Gods down the valley. This place has no guardrails except at the top corner, It makes drivers white-knuckle experience for those who are unaccustomed to such terrain. Despite its challenges, the Moki Dugway rewards travelers with spectacular valley views below. Large vehicles, RVs, and those uncomfortable with heights are advised to avoid this road due to its steep grades and tight corners. Some legends suggested that the area surrounding the Dugway is haunted by spirits of the ancient Puebloans who once inhabited the land. Travelers have reported strange noises, whisper or voices, mysterious lights, and eerie of being watched while driving the road at night. Top area. Cedar Mesa are inhabited by Pueblo Tribe, and they mysteriously disappeared centuries ago, leaving behind evidence of their existence. Down the Valley of Gods area was Navajo Indians' sacred place. Regions of mining history also inspire ghost stories. Miners who lost their lives in accidents or who lived in isolation in the harsh desert are said to haunt roads and trails. Whether rooted in the spiritual beliefs of Native American culture or fueled by isolation and eerie silence of desert, the haunted tales of Moki Dugway and its surroundings add a layer of mystique to the region. For many, these stories deepen their respect for the land and its history, turning a visit into an experience that feels both otherworldly and profoundly connected to the past.